It's been way too long since I've done this, but let's react to Mundiddy's YouTube video, powerlifting versus bodybuilding Q&A, and let's have some fun. Guy's preacher curls are literally like a recline curl. Like, he has barely any shoulder flexion, and look at the bench angle. It's like hardest where the biceps have best leverage. That's the only reason why his biceps are big, is because he accidentally performed his preacher curls in this weird way, and it ended up being where the biceps had best leverage. So he's saying that powerlifters should train further from failure, and bodybuilders should train closer to failure, but the thing is, like, bodybuilders could train like powerlifters, and it would be completely fine. The only reason why powerlifters train further from failure is to save fatigue, because coordination adaptations are literally like eviscerated if you have fatigue present. So preventing fatigue is even more important for a powerlifter, but you could do that as a bodybuilder too. It just takes more time, so it's less convenient. Now he's speaking the nonsense that failure and 1 to 2 RIR causes the same amount of muscle growth. No, it doesn't. The reason why you train to 1 to 2 RIR is to save fatigue, but failure will give you more stimulating reps. Like, there's no denying that. And you can bring up some studies that show, oh, no statistical significant difference. Yeah, it's just a power problem with the studies. Like, you can find studies that show different volumes cause the same amount of muscle growth. Like, 3 sets in 1 set cause the same muscle growth. Like, and now this guy's saying the same old, oh, yo, maximalists be worried about things that's not gonna make a significant difference. You know, your arm path on your chest pressing, the exercise that you like, bro, based off of what though? Like, I don't make claims personally ever about how much of a difference things make. But, like, he's making a claim right now that's not going to make a difference. But he doesn't have anything to back up that claim. I don't have anything to back up that claim, so I do not make the claim. Even he's just like, bro. And also, I'm not even a neo-maximalist, bro. Like, I don't advocate to train regions or bias regions of things that you don't care about. Ooh, not even a chest support, bro. Get out of here. Also, this guy's doing unilateral lat work. Yeah, he won't bias the different regions of the lat. Yeah, make that make sense. Orc dips. Oh, shoot. So you got a question. Tips for being patient with others in anger. Oh, yeah, gotta ask the I don't know, I don't care guy that question. I wonder what Trend Baby thinks about this. Oh my god, this guy's disgusting, dude. This guy said that the 45 back extension trains all 4 regions of the hamstrings, including the biceps femoral short head, that only crosses the knee joint because there's an isometric at the knee, because like your flipping foot and like the thing pad behind your foot. That's actually my biceps getting isometric during leg extensions when I pull myself into the seat. What? But now he's saying all going wide grip on a pull down is doing is just reducing bicep involvement by going with the wide grip. But bro, does he not realize that plane of motion also changes? Narrow grip's gonna be more in the sagittal plane, wide grip more frontal plane. If that's the case, that it reduces bicep involvement, why did he do a sagittal plane row that's gonna have more bicep involvement? Isn't a frontal plane pull down going to be the best lat exercise according to him? Because apparently you can bias regions of the lat, which makes absolutely no sense, because you're not gonna have rear delt involvement and you're also gonna have less biceps. At least he says that adductor magnus has best leverage in the bottom of an SLD. I don't know why he decides to pick and choose neuromechanical matching.